In this video, I'll be showing you how to do futures trading or perpetual trading on the OKX exchange platform. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, in case you don't have an OKX account already, you can use my referral link in the description below. If you use my link, you are going to be getting 10% discount on all your trading fees for life. So again, the link will be in the description below. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I make videos on personal finance, crypto trading, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now to how to do futures trading or perpetual trading on OKX. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the OKX platform. Now, to go to futures trading, you come right here to where you have trade right here, and then you come down to where you have derivatives and margin trading. Under this, you're going to be seeing perpetual swaps, futures, options, and margin. Now, right here, you click on where you have futures. Now, the first thing I would like to show you right here is where you can see perpetual and futures. Now, this perpetual and futures, they are almost the same thing, but there's a difference. Now, for the futures trading pairs, you can see they have something like figures in front of them. For example, the BTC USDT right here, you can see 1020 weekly. And the next one, you can see BTC USDT 1027 bi-weekly. And the next one, you can see 1229 quarterly, and so on. That's for the futures trading pairs. Now, for the perpetual pairs, you can see you don't have any kind of figures in front of the trading pairs. You can only see perpetual, which is perpetual, 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 and so on. So what is the meaning of this? Now, for the futures trading pairs, where you are seeing some figures, it means that there's a delivery date, or let me just say there's an expiry date for that trading pair. The first two figures is the month. So you can see 10 is the month. So that means 10 is for October. And then this next two numbers is the day. So this 1020 means October 20. And then the next one, which is 1027, means October 27. And so on. I hope you understand. Now, what is the meaning of this date? Now, this means that if you open a position with this trading pair, and you don't close that trade before that expiry date, the trade will automatically close or will automatically expire. That is just the meaning. So for example, with this first one that is expiring on October 20, we open a position now and I don't close that position until October 20, the trade will automatically close itself on that day. I hope you understand that. But for the perpetual one, there is no expiry date, so you can take the trade for as long as you want. So you can hold the position for as long as you want. I hope you understand the difference. So that's the difference between perpetual and futures trading on the OKX exchange platform. So for this video, I'll be sticking to the BTC USDT 1020 right here. That's one I'll be sticking to. Now, before I now go into how to do futures trading on the OKX platform, I need you to understand what exactly futures trading is. Now, futures trading is a type of trading where you trade futures or derivatives contracts. This means that you can long or short this futures contract. Now, what this means is that you are trading futures contract to either go up or to either go down. And when you say you are longing a trade, it means that you are trading the futures contract to go up. That means you are saying the price will go up. And when you are saying you are shorting a trade, it means you are trading the futures contract to go down. That means you are saying the price will go down. That's the meaning of longing and shorting, or to long a trade and to short a trade. So this is exactly what futures trading is all about. So you can make money when the market is going up, and you can also make money when the market is going down. Now that you know what futures trading is, let's go with the tutorial. Now, after getting to the futures trading page, as you can see on the screen, the first thing is to select the market pair. Like I said, I'm sticking to the BTC USDT 1020. So that's the market pair we are using. And you can also pick your own market pair right here, whichever market pair you want to trade. Or you can come right here to this search bar, put in the market pair you want to trade. If it's maybe BNB USDT, you can search for it right here. So you can pick the trading pair right here. So that's where you can pick your trading pair. Now, after picking your trading pair, at the middle of the screen, you can see where you have your chart with your candlesticks. Now, this is where you can do your analysis, your technical analysis, where you can pick your time frame, your technical indicators, and so on. Right here, you can see your time frame where it says 1 second, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and if you click on the drop down arrow, you see all the other time frames right here. So this is where you can pick your time frame. And right here is where you can see your candlesticks right here. So you can see your candlestick right here. Now, what is the correlation between the time frame and the candlestick? I just want to explain this for those that might not know. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm picking 4-hour time frame. So you can see right here, I picked 4-hour time frame. Now, for this 4-hour time frame, this means that each candlestick is representing 4 hours. That is just the meaning. So that means that each candlestick is representing 4 hours. So if I change it to 1-hour time frame, it means that each candlestick right here is representing 1 hour. That is just the meaning. So that means that every 1 hour, a new candlestick will be coming up. So if it's 15 minutes, that means that every 15 minutes, a new candlestick will be coming up. So that is just the meaning, and that is the relation between these candlesticks and the time frame. And right here, where my cursor is pointing to is where you can pick your indicator, your technical indicator. So if I click on it right here, this is where you can pick different technical indicators that you can use to trade. Now, I'm not going to be going through that in this video. I already have a playlist where I've talked about different indicators and how you can use them to trade and make money. So I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. So you can check the playlist. It will teach you how to use different indicators, and I'm still bringing more indicators to the playlist. So stay tuned and subscribe if you have not subscribed also. Now, another thing I love about the OKX platform is that you can use the trading view chart on OKX. So you don't need to go to tradingview.com before you can use the trading view website for your analysis. You can do that on the OKX platform. So in case you don't know, this chart I've been seeing is the trading view chart on OKX. So you can see right here where you can see trading view. So this is exactly how the trading view chart looks like. So this is where you can do your analysis. But if you want to change it to the original OKX chart, just change it right here to where you have original right here. And you change to the original OKX chart as you can see on the screen. So let me change it back to the trading view. So you can use whichever one you are comfortable with. Now, if you come to the extreme right side of the screen where you can see order book right here. So this is the order book as you can see on the screen. Now, what is the order book? The order book is just showing you the trades people are currently taking in this market right now. The red is for people who are shorting or selling, and then the green is for people who are longing or buying. And right here, the price at the mid right here is the current price of that crypto. So you can see BTC is currently 26,835. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom side of the screen right here, this is where you can now actually take your futures trade. Now, when you want to do your futures trade, the first thing you need to do is to pick your margin. So if you come here to where you have this isolated, you can see you have cross and isolated margin. These are the two types of margin that you have. Now, what is the difference between these two margins? Now, if you are picking cross margin, this means that you are using all the funds in your wallet as collateral for your trades. But if you are picking isolated margin, it means you're only using a portion of your futures wallet as your collateral for your trade. Now, let me explain further. So let's say, for example, you have like $1,000 in your futures wallet, and then you go into a trade with, let's say, $500, and you are using isolated margin. Now, in case that trade goes to liquidation, you are only going to be losing the $500 you used for that trade. The remaining $500 in your wallet is safe. So you're only using that $500 as the collateral for that trade. But it means that you're using cross margin and you have $1,000 in your futures wallet, but you're using $500 out of the money for your trade. Now, if that trade goes to liquidation, you're going to be losing all the money in your wallet because you're using all your money in that futures wallet as collateral. So for this video, I'll be picking the isolated margin right here. And then beside it, you will see where you have 10x. This is where you can pick your leverage. So if I click on it, you can see you can pick from 1x leverage up to 125x leverage right here. Now, what is the meaning of this leverage? In case you don't know, the higher the leverage you pick, the more risky your trade is. That is, if you are picking a very high leverage, you have a tendency of losing your money very fast. So in case you want to ask me that, okay, what leverage should I pick? I always recommend beginners to pick between 10x leverage to 30x leverage. So again, I'm going to be picking 10x leverage for this video. So once you pick it, come here to where you have confirm. Now, the next thing is the order type. Now, right here, we have the limit order type and the market order type. Those are the two most common order types, which I'll be explaining in this video. Now, what is the meaning of the limit order type and what is the meaning of the market order type, and which one should you pick? Now, for the limit order type, it allows you to set the price at which you want to enter a trade or the price at which you want to exit a trade. It allows you to enter the price at which you want to open a position. So the price at which you want to open, whether a long position or a short position, you can set that if you are using the limit order type. But for the market order type, you cannot set the price yourself. Once you enter your details or the amount you want to use for the trade, you are entering the trade immediately. That's the difference. So let me show you an example. So you can see right here, I've picked the limit order type right here. You can see where you have price. This is where you can set in the price you want to enter the trade. Now, in case you don't know, the price you're entering here must be lower than the current price of the market. So you can see right here, the current price of the market is about 26,798. So let me come right here and put, let's say, 26,700. And then you come right here, you can see where you have amount. This is where you can put the amount you want to use for the trade. Now you can see right here where it says available 524 USDT. That's the amount of your own funds in your wallet. And where you can see this maximum buy, that's the maximum amount you can use to enter the trade. Don't forget you are using leverage. So if I come right here and if I put in $5,000, that means I can use almost $500 for this trade. So if you put in $5,000 and you want to know, okay, how much of my money will be used for this trade, come right here to where you have cost right here. So you can see for the cost, you can see 480.6 USDT. So that means that I'll be dropping 480 USDT from my own wallet for this trade. The remaining funds will be given to me by OKX. So that's another advantage for using leverage for your trade. You can get funds from third party to add to your own funds to trade. That's the meaning. So you can see right here again, I'm only dropping $480 from my own wallet, but I'm entering the trade with $5,000. If I reduce this to, let's say, $2,000, so you see right here, the cost is $186. But let's change it back to $5,000. So once you've entered that, the next thing is to enter your take profit or stop loss. So if you come right here and click right here, this is where you can enter your take profit and your stop loss. So let's say, for example, my take profit is $27,500. And let's, for example, my stop loss is $26,000. So once you've entered that, you'll be seeing the amount you'll be making and the amount you'll be losing. So you can see right here, when the price reaches 27,500 USDT, it will trigger a market order and the estimated P&L will be 144 USDT. So that means that if it gets to the take profit, I'll be making 144 USDT. And right here for the stop loss, if it gets to the stop loss, I'll be losing 126 USDT. So if you are fine with that, just come right here to where you have buy or long. So I'll click on buy or long right here, and you'll be seeing the summary of your order. So once you are good with it, just come right here and click on confirm. Now, once you've confirmed it, your order will be under the open order. This is the open order right here. Open order section contains your orders that have not been executed. Now, don't forget that this order has not gone through because the entry price I put there is $26,700. So you can see it right here. You can see where it says order price. That's the price I want to enter the trade. It's $26,700. So this order has not yet gone through. I've not yet entered the trade. But once the price of BTC gets to $26,700, I will automatically enter the trade. So that is the meaning. So right now, I've not entered the trade. So that's the use of limit order type. Again, it allows you to set the price you want to enter the trade. So you can see right now, the current price is $26,841. So when it gets to $26,700, I will automatically enter the trade. I hope you understand that. So that's why you use limit order type. So I'm going to cancel it now to show you how the market order type works. So if you want to cancel it, just come right here to where you have cancel and click on cancel right there. And then let me go back here and pick market. So you can see where you have market right here. I'll pick the market order type. Now for the market order type, like I said, you can't set the price. The only thing you're putting is the amount you want to use for the trade. So let's use $5,000 again for this. So I'll put in $5,000. And then if you want to put your take profit and stop loss again, so I'll put it again. Let me put my take profit right here as $27,500. And I'll put in my stop loss as $26,000. So you can see right here, if it gets to my take profit, I'll be making $111. And it gets to my stop loss, I'll be losing $158. So if you're good with that again, just come right here and click on buy or long. So you can see the summary of your order. Then you've confirmed everything. Just come here to where you have confirmed. So once you've done that, you come right here and you see that your order will be under the open position right here. So if you click on open position, this is where your order is. So it's under open position because it was executed immediately. Now, what is the meaning of everything you are seeing right here on the screen? Now, right here where you are seeing size, this is the size or the amount you are using to enter the trade. Now, the size right here is your margin multiplied by your leverage. Now, if you see the margin right here, margin is the amount you are dropping from your own wallet. Now, remember, it was $483 that was taken from my wallet. And don't forget, I also used 10x leverage. So 483 times 10 will be 4,837. So that's what you can see right here as the size. So again, size is your margin multiplied by your leverage. I hope you understand that. And your margin is how much you are dropping from your own wallet. And we come right here to where you have entry price. Entry price is the price at which you entered the trade. And where you have mark price is the current price of the market. And then where you are seeing estimated liquidation price, this means that this is the price at which you are going to be losing your money in case the trade goes against you. So if the trade goes down, remember we are long and right here. So if the trade goes down against me, I'm going to be losing my money at this price. So if BTC gets to 24,299, I'm going to be losing all my money. That is the minute. And then to see where your take profit or stop loss is, you come back to where you have open order right here. And if you come right here, you can see where you have TP/SL. So if you click on it, this is where you can see your take profit and your stop loss. So you can see it right here. This is where the trigger price, where you see your TP is $27,500 and your SL is $26,000. So you can see your take profit and your stop loss right here. And if you want to cancel your take profit and stop loss, you can come here and cancel it. And if you want to change it, you can come here to where you have modify. So that is all about that. Now, there's a feature I love so much about the OKX futures platform, which is the OKX futures calculator. Now, if you come right here to where you can see calculator right here, if you click on it, this is where you can see the OKX futures calculator. Now, the OKX futures calculator can be used to calculate your P&L, that is your profit or loss, can be used to calculate your exit price, can be used to calculate your liquidation price, can be used to calculate your average entry price. Now, I'm not going to be talking about the calculator in this video. I'm talking about the calculator in a separate video. So if you are looking forward to the video on how to use the OKX futures calculator, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know when the video is out. So if you want to cancel your futures trade right here, let's say for example, it has reached the profit you want. So you come right here to where you have amount and put in the amount you want to close. So if you want to close everything that is 100%, just come right here to where you have 100% and pick 100%. And then you click on close. So right here, you see where you have estimated P&L. This is the amount you'll be making or losing if you close the trade. So if I close this trade now, that means I'll be losing 1.55 USDT. So once I click on close right here, it automatically close. And then my money will be back in my wallet. So this is how you can do the futures trading or the perpetual trading on the OKX exchange platform. Now, I want you to know something else. When you are doing futures trading, you need to understand that it comes with a very high risk, which means that you can lose all your money if you are not careful with this. So I advise that you learn it very well, practice it very well before you start putting huge amounts of money into this. Now, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if there's any video you want me to make about OKX platform, let me also know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.